Hey, how's it going? I want to share a video on how to edit a video, how to add an overlay layer into your video specifically. So for example, we have right here in this section, your video that you already have imported. And in this situation, I've already had an edited video with a thumbnail in the beginning over here on the left side. Now I'm going to add the overlay image, PNG image. I've added that in there, and I've created these thumbnails and these images through Canva.com. For a full year subscription is about $120. Another thing we want to share is that on Canva, you have the option to resize it however you like. So they do have standard presets. For example, YouTube thumbnail. But when I selected that, it would have been too large. So I kept the 1280 on the left side, but I reduced the height to 75 pixels. And all these images, for example, the Instagram logo, subscribe, and the bell, they have that all in the photo section. And then you can upload your logo in this upload section. And I'll have a video about a Canva separately. I'm going to drag and drop into this bottom section where it shows number 2, the second layer. Now it shows only about a 4-second duration, and it's going to take a few seconds here to show up in the video. But in the meantime, we can, if you want it to last the entire video, just right click it. Actually, before you right click, my video is about the ending point is a 2 minute and 4 second. So we're going to right click here and click on duration and put it for 2 minutes. So you can see here it's zoomed in. So we just zoom out so you can see that's gone. This overlay has gone through the entire video except the thumbnail portion in the beginning. The other option is to zoom out and then click on this right side of the image and then just drag it all the way to the end. And for a short video like this, that's the quickest. And now you can see here on the right side, we'll just increase that space there so you can see better. The overlay is in the middle, so we want to drag it to the bottom third. And so it won't be in the way of the middle portion. And most people that I've seen have it on the bottom third. For the most part in this video, for 2 minutes, this overlay will be here. All right, thank you very much. If you have any questions about editing, please comment below and we'll answer them as soon as we can. In the meantime, happy editing and subscribe.